deep within the heart of a dense, untamed jungle where sunlight struggles to reach the forest floor and towering trees form a living canopy above, there exists a hidden world filled with color, motion, and life. This is a place where every sound echoes with purpose and every movement tells a story. From the quiet rustling of leaves to the soft flutter of wings. This is Nature Combat, bringing you closer to a world where beauty and survival exist side by side. As the first light of dawn filters through the thick green canopy, a gentle glow spreads across the forest, revealing countless winged creatures perched high on branches. Some remain still, observing their surroundings with calm precision, while others begin to stir, stretching their wings as if preparing for the day ahead. Within moments, the stillness breaks and the air fills with motion as vibrant flashes of color rise into the sky, creating a breathtaking display that feels like a living painting in motion. As the morning progresses, the jungle becomes more active, and the sky above transforms into a shifting canvas of movement and light. These creatures glide effortlessly through the air, sometimes moving together in perfect harmony, and at other times breaking apart into smaller patterns, only to regroup again in a mesmerizing flow. Deeper within the jungle, where shadows blend with beams of sunlight, every branch holds a quiet tension. Some figures remain hidden, blending perfectly into their surroundings, waiting for the right moment to act, while others move swiftly from one branch to another with incredible agility. In this world, every second matters, and even the smallest movement can determine survival. Near the water's edge, the atmosphere shifts once again. The calm surface reflects the sky above, creating a mirror-like stillness that feels peaceful and undisturbed. But beneath this calm lies anticipation. Suddenly, a rapid movement breaks the silence, and in a fraction of a second, precision and speed come together in a flawless act of survival. The jungle does not pause, it flows continuously, balancing stillness with sudden bursts of action. As the sun climbs higher into the sky, the light intensifies, revealing even more detail in every feather, every motion, and every shadow cast on the forest floor. Colors appear richer, movements sharper, and the entire jungle feels alive with energy. Time moves forward, and slowly the golden tones of afternoon begin to take over, softening the intensity of the day. The once dizzy sky begins to calm, and the patterns of movement become slower, more deliberate. As evening approaches, a warm golden light spreads across the jungle, transforming the entire landscape into a cinematic masterpiece. Shadows stretch longer, and every movement becomes more graceful, as if the jungle itself is preparing to rest. One by one, the winged inhabitants return to their resting places, settling onto branches that once again become still and quiet. The energy of the day fades into a peaceful silence, replaced by a sense of calm that blankets the entire forest. As darkness slowly takes over, the jungle transforms once more, hiding its colors and movements beneath a veil of night. Yet, even in this silence, there is a promise of renewal, a guarantee that with the next sunrise, this vibrant world will awaken once again. Through this journey with Nature Combat, we witness not just beauty, but a complete system of life, where every motion has meaning and every moment holds purpose. It is a reminder that this world is delicate, powerful, and deeply connected, and that its preservation lies in our hands. The jungle is not just a place, it is a living story of balance, survival, and breathtaking beauty, waiting to be seen, felt, and protected. In the heart of a lush, dense jungle lies a breathtaking world where color, motion, and life exist in perfect harmony. This cinematic video showcases a stunning collection of exotic birds, including Peacock, Macaw, Kingfisher, Parrot, Flamingo, Gouldian Finch, and Scarlet Macaw, each adding their vibrant presence to the natural beauty of the forest. As the first light of dawn filters through the thick jungle canopy, this vibrant world slowly awakens. Perched on branches high above the forest floor, these colorful birds begin to move, filling the air with motion and energy. Soon, the stillness breaks as they take flight, creating mesmerizing patterns across the sky. Their coordinated movements, sudden direction changes, and graceful flight paths transform the jungle into a living canvas of color. Throughout the day, the jungle shifts between calm and activity. Moments of stillness are followed by bursts of dynamic movement, reflecting the natural rhythm of survival and harmony. Sunlight passing through the trees enhances every detail, making the feathers appear even more vivid and alive. The combination of light, shadow, and motion creates a truly cinematic wildlife experience. As the sun sets, golden light spreads across the jungle, softening the entire environment into a peaceful and glowing landscape. Gradually, the birds return to rest, and the jungle settles into silence once again, marking the end of another beautiful cycle in nature. Nature Combat brings you closer to the raw beauty of wildlife through immersive cinematic nature videos that capture the true essence of the jungle.